Who says being broke means you're stuck riding the bus or borrowing your mom's minivan? If you're on a tight budget but still dream of hitting the road in a dependable and stylish car, we've got you covered. For $5,000 or less, you can find some hidden automotive gems that deliver reliability, comfort, and even a touch of luxury. Let's dive into the ultimate broke-friendly lineup and find you a ride that's easy on your wallet but big on benefits. Number 20. If you're after a classic full-size sedan that delivers unbeatable comfort and legendary reliability, the 2000 to 2004 Buick LeSabre is your ride. Powered by the iconic 3.8-liter V6 engine, this gem is famed for running past 200,000 miles with proper care. Priced between $3,000 and $5,000, it's a steal for anyone seeking a smooth ride, a roomy interior, and wallet-friendly insurance and repair costs. Number 19. Dreaming of a luxury car on a budget? The 1999 to 2005 Chrysler 300M is your ticket to premium style without breaking the bank. With its sleek, sporty design and punchy V6 engine, this sedan delivers a blend of performance and sophistication that's hard to beat in its price range of $3,500 to $4,500. Step inside, and you're greeted by plush, comfortable seats and an upscale interior that feels far beyond its cost. Add in nimble handling and head-turning looks, and you've got a car that screams class without the luxury car price tag. Number 18. Looking for a car that's tiny on the outside yet big on surprises? Meet the 2007 Honda Fit, a little car with a big personality. Perfect for city dwellers and budget-conscious drivers, this zippy hatchback doesn't just get you from point A to B. It gets you there while sipping fuel, 33+ miles per gallon, and laughing at repair bills. Is it a real party trick? The legendary Magic Seat system transforms the already impressive interior into a cargo hauling wizard. Need to haul a bike, a tall lamp, or half of IKEA? No problem. At $4,000 to $5,000, the Fit is proof that great things come in small, ridiculously practical packages. Number 17. Who says you can't look good on a budget? The 2016 Chevrolet Cruze is proof that being broke doesn't mean sacrificing style or tech. For just $5,000, you'll be rolling in a sleek modern ride that'll make your wallet and gas tank equally happy, thanks to its stellar fuel economy and turbocharged engine. Number 16. Think luxury is out of reach? Think again. The 2007 Audi A4 is here to deliver European sophistication at a price your wallet can handle. For less than $5,000, you get a sleek, high-end ride with a premium feel that'll make you the envy of the parking lot. Opt for the zippy 2.0-liter turbo engine, and you'll enjoy a fun, smooth drive with handling so agile it feels like the car is reading your mind. Inside, the A4 pampers you with top-notch materials and a cockpit designed for kings. Plus, its strong resale value means you're not just driving in style, you're making a smart investment. Number 15. Need a vehicle that's bigger than your problems? The 2007 Chevrolet Suburban is here to save the day. This absolute beast offers 3 rows of seats, room for up to 9 passengers, and enough cargo space to make U-Haul jealous. Whether you're hauling a boat, a soccer team, or your in-laws, bless your heart, the Suburban's powerful V8 engine and excellent towing capacity make it laughably easy. For $5,000 or less, it's an affordable way to ride in a mobile command center that screams, "I'm in charge." Just don't be surprised if people start asking you to help them move. Number 14. Who says you can't have it all? The 2004 Acura MDX is like the Swiss Army knife of SUVs. Luxurious, reliable, and ready for anything. For only $5,000, this midsize marvel gives you a premium interior that feels more like a private jet than a family hauler, paired with dependable all-wheel drive to conquer everything from snowy commutes to off-road adventures. Plus, the MDX holds its value better than most, so you're not just driving smart, you're investing smart. Whether tackling trails or turning heads at the carpool lane, this SUV gets the job done in style. Number 13. Who says broke drivers can't have fun? The 2007 Mazda 6 is here to prove that you don't need a fat wallet to enjoy sporty handling and eye-catching style. This mid-size sedan combines sharp, aggressive looks with a driving experience that's anything but boring. Think zippy cornering and a chassis that practically begs for the scenic route. At just $4,000 to $5,000, the Mazda 6 is the perfect way to inject a little excitement into your daily commute without breaking the bank. Number 12. The 2006 to 2007 Honda Accord isn't just a car, it's a lifestyle choice for people who want a vehicle they can trust without selling a kidney. This automotive icon has built its reputation on reliability, and these model years live up to the hype with a buttery smooth ride and fuel economy that'll keep you smiling at the pump. At just $4,000 to $5,000, it's a wallet-friendly deal with a resale value. So solid it's like having a car that pays you back. Number 11. The 2003 Toyota Camry is the automotive equivalent of that dependable friend who's always there for you, rain or shine, broke or ballin'. This sedan doesn't bother with flashy gimmicks. Instead, it delivers rock-solid reliability, supreme comfort, and low ownership costs that'll have your wallet doing a happy dance. Think of it as your bulletproof transportation partner. It just keeps going, no matter what you throw at it. At just $3,500 to $4,500, the Camry isn't here to dazzle. It's here to work hard, last forever, and quietly win your heart. Practicality has never looked this good. Number 10. The 2007 to 2009 Mazda 3 is like the cool kid in school. Stylish, athletic, and smarter than it looks. With sharp handling and a lively yet efficient engine, it's the perfect ride for anyone who wants a bit of fun in their daily drive without sacrificing practicality. Whether carving corners or cruising to work, this compact gem feels sporty yet grounded. Add in its eye-catching design and solid fuel economy, and you've got yourself a car that's as easy on the eyes as it is on the gas tank. At less than $5,000, this is your ticket to affordable driving excitement. We are halfway there, guys. To enjoy more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to stay updated. Okay, let's move on to number 9. Need space for a Costco run? Done. Want excellent fuel economy for road trips? Easy. Built on Toyota's bulletproof reliability, this hatchback of 2003 to 2006 Toyota Matrix is practically indestructible. Its flexible cargo space adapts to whatever life throws at you, and low-cost repairs mean it won't bleed your wallet dry. For $4,500, the Matrix proves you don't need to choose between practicality and affordability. It's all wrapped up in one neat little package. Number 8. The 2010 Ford Fusion Hybrid is like your eco-friendly best friend. Quiet, efficient, and modern, at least for its time. With over 40 miles per gallon fuel efficiency, this hybrid keeps gas station visits to a minimum, saving you time and money. The smooth ride and surprisingly comfy interior make it perfect for long drives or urban commutes. For $4,500 to $5,000, you get modern tech, hybrid power, and a guilt-free conscience. Who knew saving the planet could feel this good? Number 7. The 2004 to 2009 Toyota Prius isn't just a car, it's a movement. As the hybrid that started it all, it's built for the eco-conscious driver who refuses to compromise on reliability or cost. With jaw-dropping fuel efficiency and Toyota's dependable hybrid tech, the Prius is a budget-friendly, planet-saving superstar. Add in low maintenance costs, and it's easy to see why this is the gold standard of hybrids. For $4,000 to $5,000, you're not just driving a car, you're making a statement. Number 6. The 2003 to 2005 Honda Element is proof that being different is awesome. Its boxy design and easy-to-clean interior make it the perfect choice for adventurers, dog lovers, and anyone with a messy lifestyle. The spacious cabin offers versatility for camping trips, DIY projects, or just hauling your life around. Built with Honda's legendary reliability, this quirky SUV is a long-lasting companion. For just $5,000, it's the fun and functional ride you didn't know you needed. Number 5. The 2004 Toyota RAV4 is like the overachiever of compact SUVs. Reliable, versatile, and always ready for anything. Whether navigating city streets or hitting the trails, this little SUV delivers proven dependability, easy maintenance, and impressive fuel economy. Need space? It's got it. Want peace of mind? It's a Toyota, so you know it'll last. For $4,000 to $5,000, the RAV4 is the kind of car that just works. No drama, no fuss, just pure practicality. Number 4. The 2004 Toyota Avalon is like discovering filet mignon on the dollar menu, luxury wrapped in a budget-friendly package. This full-size sedan offers a ride so smooth and comfortable that it's like driving your favorite recliner, but much faster. With a price of $4,500 to $5,000, it's a hidden gem for anyone who wants premium comfort without a luxury car price tag. Long-term reliability? Check. Impressing your passengers? Double check. The Avalon is a luxury for the practical-minded. Number 3. The 2004 to 2012 Mitsubishi Galant is the car equivalent of your dependable friend who always shows up on time and never asks for much in return. Affordable and reliable, it's the ideal pick for budget-conscious drivers who need a solid, no-nonsense daily driver. At $3,500 to $5,000, the Galant doesn't shout for attention, but it earns your respect with every dependable mile it drives. It's a practical workhorse with just enough style to keep things interesting. Number 2. If reliability were a car, it would be the 2005 Toyota Corolla, proudly wearing a most dependable sash. This compact superstar is cheap to buy, insure, and maintain, making it the MVP of budget-friendly vehicles. Its fuel-efficient engine will have you high-fiving yourself at the pump, while affordable parts and repairs make unexpected hiccups a breeze. The Corolla offers exceptional reliability for less than $5,000, making it perfect for students, commuters, or anyone who just needs a car that works. And finally, number 1. The 2002 to 2006 Lexus ES is the ultimate cheat code for living the luxury life without draining your savings. For just $5,000, this sleek sedan delivers everything you'd expect from a Lexus: sumptuous comfort, a whisper-quiet cabin, and an upscale interior that'll have your passengers thinking you hit the jackpot. And let's not forget its Toyota DNA, which means you're getting legendary reliability and long-lasting quality in a package that oozes sophistication. It's luxury on clearance, and honestly, who doesn't love a good deal? So, are you buying on a budget? Do it right. Get a pre-purchase inspection. It's like a first date for your wallet. Regular maintenance, oil, filters, tires, is the secret to keeping your ride happy. Bonus: older cars mean cheaper insurance and repairs. You don't need to sell a kidney to drive something dependable. Just down the road, one budget-friendly mile at a time. Which of these cars can you easily manage? Let us know in the comments section. If you like the video, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest videos.